Okay, so your teaser could be just a roll down and roll up with an arm circle. I'll show that first. So you can dig your heels into the ground, roll onto your back, arm circle, roll up, roll down, arm circle, roll up. You could also do this with legs in the air. Squeeze your legs together, roll down, roll up. Eventually, I'm going to stretch all the way through my toes, squeeze my legs together, roll down, roll up. This next one, see if you can stop at that little perch. Put the brakes on. Catch behind your knees or your ankles, whatever feels doable for tonight. Put one foot down. One leg is going to bend and straighten. Easy does it. Bend and straighten. And just see where is a good spot for you to catch your leg. Maybe it's back here. Maybe you can get a hold of your ankle. Try the other side. So either behind my thigh, behind my ankle. And I'm still in that rounded back shape. I'm not having to extend my spine because we about to roll. You ready? You could stay here and roll, but I'm going to lock myself into this position. Roll onto your shoulders, back to your perch. Put the brakes on. So I haven't moved my arms and legs. Back to your perch. Here's your next variation. Arms and legs extended. Tail to the ceiling. Back to your perch. Oh, I missed it. Pause. Oof. Pause. So your brakes, can you guess what your brakes are? Your tummy muscles. So theoretically, I could pause here, stop and hold. I could pause here. One more. Okay, super bonus round. You ready? Arms off, hold your legs. Just using your leg muscles for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that was